What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing some interior work. My interior is like super dirty. This is the real, the raw, the truth. The back's not too bad though, but we're mainly gonna be focusing on the front area because it's super dusty and my front floor mats are dirty. So first off, we'll be cleaning unnecessary mess. Ouch. I have a lot of trash because when you eat candy, you don't throw it out the window. I will be throwing away these as well. I'll keep half because I still get a little bit. It's a rubbish bucket. Gonna take off the floor mat because I like to shoot it down with water. Oh, there's a hole in it. Oh, no wonder why there's so much sand over there. Because of that. If anybody got any recommendations on some good floor mats, drop them down in the comments below. And we'll let these guys dry here. And now you vacuum. So I pretty much vacuumed all the loose dust and some sand that was in here, and I'm gonna use Purple Power to clean it up a little bit, like that stuff right there, and then go over it for a final coat with Chemical Guys Hyper Coat Protective Dressing. It's made for vinyl, rubber, and plastic. You can clean here too. We're gonna wipe off all the dust. And also clean the steering wheel. Damn, look at that. This is the after and the before. This is like dash, the center console, door panels are all wiped down and cleaner. And I also have this for this guy because mine's broke. Genuine Toyota. Sometimes, like after this broke, I would pull this up, and then boom, this whole thing would just fly open and everything would just spill in the back. So at least that's fixed now. But oh yeah, if you guys have also any recommendations for good seat covers for a first gen Tacoma, front and back, drop them down in the comments below. I already know you guys can say Wet Akole, because Wet Akole is good, but they're pricey. And also the floor mats. Other than that, everything is clean in here. Ready for the new work week. And yeah, pretty much just light work today, cleaning, and that's pretty much all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, drop a comment down below, and subscribe. Peace.